In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the correct or the right TradingOcta app on your smartphone. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So first, let me uninstall the app before we can begin the process. Now to do this, go to Google Play Store if you are on Android or App Store if you are on iPhone. For my case, I'm on Android and therefore I'll open Play Store. And now using this search, I'll just search for the app by name. So type TradingOcta, so it is one word combined, and then run the search. As you can see, we have our TradingOcta app here. Tap on it to expose more details. Now, before you install this app, you want to make sure that it is from Saigata Solutions. And at the time of recording this app had a star rating of 4.6 with over 108,000 reviews. This app currently, it has been downloaded over 10 million times, and this is the average file size, which is 32 MBs. So this information might have changed by the time you are watching this. Now to get this TradingOcta smart trading app, tap on install. And now you will be able to download the latest version of this app, and the app will finally be installed on your smartphone. Once the app is installed, you can open it straight from here, or if you go to your apps, now you should see our TradingOcta app is here. If you open it, you can now proceed and sign in or create an account if you don't have one to start trading. So that's how you can install the right TradingOcta app on your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.